So, getting back to the Z, I've stripped the motor down, I've taken the gearbox out, just to try and find out what this clutch rattle is. I know the inner face of the clutch basket has got some wear marks in it, you can see that on the fingers. I'm actually looking at the gear, the bearing, and that you can see has got marks on it as well. I've got a second-hand gearbox off eBay, which, to be honest with you, looks quite good at the initial sort of stages. I'm going to strip this down and have a look and see and go from there. I've also got another clutch basket, which that as well looks very good. And yeah, but we'll see. I'll strip them down and see what we come up against. The shaft and clusters have been split. I'm now going to put the input shaft on V-blocks and check with my DTI to see if it's bent at all. I'm interested to know why that bearing has got like chafe marks in it. You can see it all the way around. It's really, really odd. Never seen that before. And I've tried it in the case and it's, I mean, it don't fit too bad. And it doesn't look like it's spun up in the face of there either. It's all good. So I'm just gonna, I think I'll take the half shell out and then try it and see what it fits like without that shelling. Both shafts are in bits now. Just checking, and they've all come to bits exactly the same. I will also check against the parts diagram as well, but no, it all looks pretty good. And to be fair, quick look at this new gearbox from eBay, it looks all right. So at the moment, the only damage I can see is that bearing on the end there, that one. I've put this on V-blocks, or a V-block, and spun it, and it looks fine. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do that one. But yeah, we shall have a look. But there's a fair chance I may put that one in anyway, and sort of hopefully it'll be okay. The noise will go. Okay, so this is the eBay shaft that I've got. And that's pretty good. Pretty good. I mean, obviously I'm holding it on the V-block with my finger because there's not a parallel section on here to do it with, but it looks spot on. Just do it again. Yeah, that one's pretty good. That's the eBay one. Now we'll try the original one that was in the engine. It's really difficult to do, to hold it. Can't do it really. It's no, it's pretty good as well. That's pretty good as well. I just will double check. Again. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine as well. There's no twist or bend in either of those two shafts. So this is the original bearing. As you can see, it's quite badly chafed, like chatter marks almost. Feels all right. Can't really feel any play within the bearing either. Let's try the other one. I mean, that looks quite nice, that bearing. Again, it feels about the same. Can't feel any play in that one either. That's the original. They both feel really good. But there's definitely chatter marks going around that bearing. So clutch basket's been in the ultrasonic cleaner along with a clutch bearing. Just want to give it a clean just to see what it looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty good. There's no wear on that basket whatsoever. A little bit of rust, surface rust, but we can live with that. I'm not worried about that. The gear is good and all of the springs are pretty good. It's still really tight. There's no movement in there at all, so that's good. I think I'm going to put it in again for another half hour at 65 degrees. Just because. Hopefully that'll be enough for what we need. Well, that's the bottom crankcase cover back on. It's not on fitted, obviously, with the bolts. Just wanted to trial fit it, make sure all of the selectors and that lined up and it's all good. So yeah, it's good. Managed to scrape off all the old sealer. Using what I normally use is a window packer. That's what you would seal a sealed unit with. But it's ideal because it's obviously softer than the alley, so it's not going to damage it. And then just finish it off with a bit of rag with some acetone on it. So yeah, I'm pretty much ready to button this back up now. The other basket's in. It's been through the ultrasonic cleaners. A little bit of rust on it, but nothing major. I'm not stressing about that. But it feels so much better than the other one. There's a bit of play, but I'm told by everybody in the know that they always have a bit of play. The old basket I'm going to end up probably putting on the shaft and checking to see if it's bent or whether it's been welded up like out of true or whatever. So, but yeah, that's my next job. Seal this up and get it all bolted back up, and then put the covers on and it's ready to go back in the frame. Try not to put too much silicone on when I seal up, just so you don't get loads of goo coming out of the joints. I mean, that's a bit too much really, but it'd be all right. Give it a wipe off. Because obviously what you see on the outside, you've got the same coming out on the inside. So keep it to a minimum. It's all done. All of the bolts are torqued. The 8 bolts, there's a set sequence. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually written on here, which is good. There's 25 bolts in the bottom and 5 comes through from the top. So 3 are in. I've got 2 to put in behind where the starter motor goes, which I'm going to do shortly. Put this on, put the sump on and flip it over and just get the last 2 bolts in. Then I can get the get the covers fitted and it's ready to go back in the frame then. So that's good. Okay, motor's on its side. Frame's there. So we're going to lift the frame over the engine. Just chuck an old sheet over it just to stop scratching the frame. And then it's just really a case of just peeling the sheet back where you need to get the the engine mounting bolts in. Motor is back in. Got the yokes, bottom yoke, forks and wheel in. So it's sat on its centre stand now. I've got the rear engine mount to fit, which I'll get in. Plus there's a couple of bolts, wherever they are. The bottom mounts, get them in. Then I can tighten all the engine bolts up. Then I've got the ears to put on, put the top yoke on, and that'll do for today. Well, I think that'll do for one day. A few evenings this week and it'll be back together.